Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to change alignment in Google Docs. So, alignment it is a term that is used to describe how a text is placed on the screen. So, to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now I have opened my Google Chrome. Now I'm going to open my Google Drive, and over here I'm going to create a new document, Google Docs. I'm going to create a new document called the Microsoft. Let's see, I'm going to call it the Microsoft. So over here, if I just go to the Wikipedia to get the information, I'm going to use the Wikipedia. Now if I search here for the Microsoft and hit enter, so Wikipedia is like a website that gives you, it is like the free encyclopedia. It gives you information about almost everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy the first paragraph and copy it and just simply paste it over here. So now let's see. Okay, so now if I want to so now let's use the alignment. So now it is currently marked as left align. That means the text is starting from the left. Now if we select the entire text and select the center align, then it doesn't have a certain starting point and not a certain ending point. Now if we click on the right align, then all the text will be ending in the right. Now if you click on the justify, then everything will be just perfectly shaped. So you can choose the alignment you want as you want. If you can use the left align, you can use the center align, you can use the right align, and you can also use the justify. So this is how you can change the alignment of a text. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to change alignment of a text in Google Docs. So thank you for watching.